Fix error 1310. Error writing to file in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Solution 1. Fix corrupted system files. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed. Solution 2. Remove app duplicates. Look for the program that's giving you the error and check if there are multiple instances of it. If there are multiple instances, right-click on each of them one by one. Select Uninstall from the context menu that appears. Solution 3. Re-register the Windows installer. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Once the process is complete, restart your PC. After your PC has restarted, check if the issue you were experiencing has been resolved. Solution 4. Disable controlled folder access. Toggle the switch next to controlled folder access to the off position. Close the controlled folder access window. If that didn't work,